In this video, we will learn how to build advanced search queries using Anstrex native spy platform's Query Builder. In the previous video, we talked about basic search function, which is suitable for quick and simple queries. However, if you want to perform complex searches with Boolean operators such as AND, NOT, or our advanced search query builder will meet your requirement. Let's learn. To invoke Advanced Query User Interface, click on the Search button and then on Advanced Search to open the Query Builder. The Query Builder may seem intimidating at first, but it is fairly easy to use once you grasp a few key concepts. The highlighted area on the screen are called groups. By default, a new Query Builder window will have two groups as shown. You can add more groups by clicking on the Add Group button. And you can delete them by clicking on the Delete button. Within each group, you can create multiple conditions. By default, you will have one condition in each group. You can add a condition by clicking on the Add Condition button, and delete them by clicking on the Delete button next to each condition. The groups are chained together by a single Boolean operator as shown. Similarly, conditions within a group are chained together by a single Boolean operator. You can also create groups within groups as demonstrated in the video. This level of control allows you to build almost any query you can imagine and makes this function priceless for power users. Now, let's learn to build some queries. I will start with a simple query. Within Group 1, I will add some conditions. I want to first target MGID Ad Network. I want to have the word wait in the creative text. I want ads on mobile platform, and therefore, I will apply that condition as well. As you can see, all the three conditions are joined together by the Boolean operator AND. It means that all the conditions need to be true for every creative in the search results. Let's submit the search. As you must have noticed, an error has occurred because we left the Group 2 empty without any conditions. It is required to delete all the unpopulated groups. Therefore, we are going to delete this group and resubmit the search. The search results, as expected, show creatives related to weight loss vertical on MGID targeted on mobile operating system. This is relatively a very simple search and could have been accomplished with drop-down filters in combination with basic search. However, a big advantage with advanced search is that you can save this search for future use. In order to save this search, type a meaningful name and click on the Save button. After saving this search, I am going to reset the search and clear everything so I can show you how to recall the same search again. To recall the search, you will have to open the Advanced Search Modal dialog again and load the saved search from the drop-down as shown. As soon as I select the search, it will populate all the fields automatically. If you want to delete a saved search, please click on the Delete button. Now let's build a more complex query. In this case, I want to find out all the creatives which has the word insurance in it, but does not show me any auto insurance ads. For this search, I will first add a condition to show the ads with the word insurance in it, and then apply several negative conditions by choosing the Does Not Contain operator. We will add multiple negative keywords, namely auto, driver, and car, as shown on your screen. Again, as you can see, the operator joining these conditions will be AND, because we want all these conditions to be true. Let's hit the search button, and you will find creatives that are targeted towards insurance other than car and automobile. Lastly, I will show you one more advanced search utilizing two different groups with multiple conditions. Here, I want to search for e-commerce ads from specific countries. To do this search, I am going to use both the groups. In the first group, I am going to target some widely used e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. I will join these conditions by an OR operator as I want to see results when any of these conditions are true. In the second group, I will target the countries I am interested in, which are USA, Canada, and Australia. Again, an OR operator is used to chain these conditions. On the top, I am using AND operator to link the two groups, because I want at least one condition from each group to be true at the same time. In this case, we also want to sort the results by ad strength in descending order. As evident from the search results, we are able to find e-commerce ads from USA, Canada, and Australia in the descending order of the ad strength. Please remember that we can further fine-tune this search by adding more conditions as necessary. I hope I was able to demonstrate the utility and benefits of advanced search with the aid of the examples I covered in this tutorial video. I will see you again in the next tutorial video. Until then, cheers!